afternoon everyone. So today I will discuss about the project topic for the students who are in the batch 3. In my two classes I have announced the name of the students who are in the batch 1 and batch 2, and for the students of batch 3 your projects are, just listen carefully. I will first tell your name and after that I will tell that which project you will have to write. So first, for project number 13, the name of the students are, that is Ananya Bishwas, Farhana Fatima, Soubik Ghosh, Tawfiq Jamal Midda, Bhaskar Bhattacharjee, Taposh Kumar Mondol and Ankur Mondol. Okay, so these are the name of the students for project number 13. I am repeating the name of the students, that is Ananya Bishwas, Farhana Fatima, Soubik Ghosh, Tawfiq Jamal Midda, Bhaskar Bhattacharjee, Taposh Kumar Mondol and Ankur Mondol. And now I will tell you what is the name of the project. Project number 13 is I am writing it on the board. So study and plant growth regulator and its role in increasing yield of sugarcane. Study and plant growth regulator. Study and plant growth regulator, or you can write it down that study and plant growth regulations and its role in increasing and its role in increasing yield of sugarcane. Yield of sugarcane. Okay, so that is the project number 13. I have written on the board. Just follow it and write it down, and I will suggest everyone that you should write it down in your puja vacation. Okay, and that is I have announced the name of the students who must read this particular project and write it down in your school's practical copy. You have to prepare two practical copy, one for your practical purpose and another one is for project. Okay, and you have to buy the pages from the school and the cover also. Okay, so that is the project number 13, and I am repeating the name of the students who are having the project number 13, that is Ananya Bishwas, Farhana Fatima, Soubik Ghosh, Tawfiq Jamal Midda, Bhaskar Bhattacharjee, Taposh Kumar Mondol and Ankur Mondol. Okay, now next project, that is project number 14. For project number 14, I am announcing the name of the students. Name of the students are Arnab Datta, Kunal Datta, Soubik Ghosh, Snehangshu Maji, Rohan Roos, Sheikh Marjan. Okay, I am repeating the names for project number 14. Arnab Datta, Kunal Datta, Soubik Ghosh, Snehangshu Maji, Rohan Roos and Sheikh Marjan, and the project topic is study on various types of nerve fibers found in mammalian nervous system. So I am writing it on the board. project number 14 is study on various types nerve study on various types nerve fibers found in mammalian nervous system. Okay, so this is the project number 14 and already I have announced the name of the students. Okay, and one thing, don't think that project is a group project. It is an individual project. Everyone, you have to write it down individually. This is not a group project. Just only you some of the students are having common project, that's it. You have to write it down by your own. Okay, so that is the project number 14. Now next project, first I am telling the name of the students for project number 15. For project number 15, name of the students are Dhriti Hajra, Sonali Mondol, Sheikh Parvez Islam, Shubhojit Chatterjee, Ditipriya Chakraborty, Devjyoti Devnath. I am repeating the names for project number 15. Dhriti Hajra, Sonali Mondol, Sheikh Parvez Islam, Shubhojit Chatterjee, Ditipriya Chakraborty, Devjyoti Devnath. Okay, so your project topic is study and description of the family Asteraceae. So project number 15 is project number 15 is study and description of the family Asteraceae. Okay, so I have announced the name of the students for project number 15. The last one, that is project number 16, and name of the students are for project number 16 Diya Chatterjee, Tanmoy Dhara, Obhinav Mukherjee, Oishiki Ghosh, Shubhojit De, Bishal Banik. I am repeating the names for project number 16. That is Diya Chatterjee, Tanmoy Dhara, Obhinav Mukherjee, Oishiki Ghosh, Shubhojit De, Bishal Banik. Okay, and the project topic is study the effect of stress hormone in survivability in drought condition of plants. Study the effect of stress hormone in survivability in drought condition of plants. That is, this is the project number 16. I am repeating. Study the effect of stress hormone in survivability in drought condition of plants. Okay, so this is the project number 16 and I have announced the name of the students already. Okay, so I think I have announced all the names. Okay, let me check once. Okay, so uh, I will suggest everyone please check the video, first video which I have uploaded in the, and I have taken this class in the practical room. So there I have mentioned the how you have to write the project and what are the different topics you should cover in this particular project. Okay, so you have to follow the proper orientation that I have mentioned, that what you have to write on the first page, then second page, then third page, and then what you have to write in the content also. And I will suggest everyone please check the video. You, if you haven't checked till now, check the video and start writing this. After the puja vacation it must be finished. Okay, so you will get time in that puja vacation. So I will suggest everyone, if you are not having the practical copies for the project part, you can take it from your school and start writing. Okay, so everyone complete your project within this puja vacation, and if you face any problem at the time of writing, you can ask me through e-portal. Okay, any doubt, if you face any problem or any doubt, you can ask me through your e-portal. I will help you um, as it is possible. Okay, so thank you everyone, and if you face any other problem, then you can ask me through your e-portal. So thank you everyone, and bye bye and happy puja.